Hello friends, this video is shooted during my quarantine due to COVID-19. I have experienced some skin rashes and fatigue only. Some marks of the rashes are still visible on my neck. So COVID is still very much there friends. So don't forget to wear mask, maintain social distancing and to take all other precautions. Stay safe, stay healthy and stay beautiful.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will going to do a hair color tutorial. Yes guys, now previously I have also done one hair color video. I think it is almost 4 months back, and that time I also have tried a L'Oreal hair color, and I think in that previous video, the link is here. In that video I have tried L'Oreal casting cream gloss in the shade 530 praline brown. Now it has given me a little brown tint, but I want to make my hair a little more lighter. Now first I want to try at home, and today I will try a different hair color that is also from L'Oreal. Now as my hair color that I have done previously, it is almost 4 months back, so I almost have no color on my hair right now. Now the natural color of my hair is dark brown. I want to make it a little lighter. Now first I will try it at home. If I don't get any satisfactory result, then I have to go to professionals to have a little more lightness, but I want to give it a try and I want to also share this with you. Now today I have chosen one more color, and that is also from L'Oreal Paris. Now this color is this one, which is L'Oreal Excellence Creme in the shade 5.32 caramel brown. Now I want to have a brown hair, and for that I have chosen this color caramel brown, and I think there is not much tutorial of this color in YouTube, so I think this video is going to be very helpful for those who want to try this color. Now let's see how much color it can give me on my hair, but I am expecting a little more strong tint than this previous one, that is praline brown of casting cream gloss. So let's get started. Now guys, today I have a lot of disturbances around my house, so if you are getting any noise, then please excuse me and bear with me please, because today I have a lot of disturbances, trust me. Now guys, when you open this box, inside that you have this kind of bottle, and this is the developer, and after that we have this tube. Now this is actually the main color, okay? So, and we also have this one, which is a shampoo. Okay, so this product has a shampoo inside it. Now I have previously tried their casting cream gloss in the shade praline brown, and that range doesn't have any shampoo inside it. So here you will have this kind of small tube of shampoo, and finally the conditioner. And I love this conditioner, it is a very good quality conditioner. And this one, this is a instruction, and also I think inside this you will have 2 gloves. Let's see. So this is 2 gloves, and guys, I have this length of hair, but today I'm going to use the whole of the color, because what I have found that if you use a good amount of product on your hair, it gives much prominent hair color. So today I will use the whole quantity, but if you have very short hair and if you don't want to use the full quantity at once, then you also can do it, and in previous video that the link I have already shared to you, in that video I have shown you that how very easily you can use a little quantity from these products and keep the other remaining quantity in a very safe state, so you can reuse it. Now if you want to use a part of the quantity, not the complete quantity of this product, then you definitely can check the previous video. I think that will be very helpful. But today I will use the full quantity so I can have a much strong color on my hair. Now guys, as I am doing this hair color tutorial today, so I have wear this old top. It is a rayon material top. Now if you wear top of a little dark color and which has this kind of polyester or rayon material, then it will be easier for you to remove any hair color from your top or t-shirt. Now if you wear cotton material, then it catches the color and it will be very difficult for you to remove the color from your dress. Now to start the hair color, I first have to mix this two. Now this is the hair color and this is the developer. Now I have to put the whole of this hair color inside this developer bottle and have to mix it very well, and then I will apply it on my hair. So let's start. guys, the application of hair color is done, and now I am going to wait for 30 minutes. So guys, it is 30 minutes now, so I'm going to wash my hair. And guys, sorry that I don't have any scope to place any camera inside my washroom, so I can't shoot that process. Now it's very simple process, guys. I think anybody can do this. Now I'm going to use this too, the shampoo and conditioner provided by L'Oreal with this pack. Now first I will wash my hair very well with a lot of water, and until the water comes out from my hair is completely clean, I'm going to wash my hair again and again. And then I'm going to use this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. Then I will use this too, and after that I will come back to you to show the hair color. So just give me a break so I can go and wash my hair and can come back to you. So guys, this is the L'Oreal Excellence Cream in the shade Caramel Brown on my dark brown hair, and you can see it has given me beautiful reddish brown color, and the color is very prominent. Now you can see that I am inside the room. Now it is the daytime and the sunlight is coming through these windows on the right side of mine. But you can see the color is so prominently visible on camera. Now last time I have done the L'Oreal casting cream in the shade Praline Brown, and it had given me very little hint of brown, and the brown color was visible only under the sun. Now this time the color is very prominent and I'm just loving this color. I am definitely going to repurchase this product, and I think I have purchased it from Amazon and I received very good discount. So I think you can find this color at any drugstore or any online store. It is very available product. Now guys, if you want to cover the grays, then I don't know, because I don't have any grays on my head. But if you want to have this kind of beautiful reddish brown color or want to make your hair little lighter, then you definitely can purchase this color without any doubt. The color is really very beautiful, and I will suggest that if you want to cover grays, then it is better to go with dark colors like black or dark brown. That colors give much more coverage than this kind of light colors. So if you want to cover grays of your head, then I think better to go with much darker color of L'Oreal. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I'll meet with you very soon with my next video. Till then, bye.